just basically seeing the waste. What is bothering us? What is bottlenecking us throughout the company? And all it is seeing this tiniest little specks of waste, eliminating those. If something's in your way and you've got to constantly get down and move it, that is waste. Eliminate it. Just make it more efficient for everybody to work. I've got a friend with me from school. This is Josh Amsbaugh. He is one of our workers' sons, and he's on Easter break right now. He's going to actually be my timekeeper, and I'm going to do a little, I don't know, a little test here, and basically show you what my thinking of waste is, of what lean really is. So here we go. Josh, go ahead. When I say start, you will go ahead and start. When I say finish, stop, go ahead and tell me how much time you elapsed, okay? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do this. Josh, go ahead and start. So this is just real simple. Just a little bit of an analogy of what I, again, think lean is. And help to clarify, because again, it's not a process. It's just finding the waste. Real simple on that. Color this in here. Gotta make it look good, right? Gotta be presentable. Alright, so still ticking away there, Josh?
Yep.
Alright. Gotta stay in these lines. A little difficult. Not the best artist here. So what did you thought about the two-line Josh today?
Good, it's cool.
You like that?
Yeah, I like working with the one of the guys that is by the loading dock.
Oh, okay, you were with Elmer.
Yeah,
Okay.
Elmer.
Yeah, your dad's been here a long time too. It's great getting to see what your parents actually do during the day.
Yeah,
You're in school?
16 years.
In 16 years, that's amazing. You're in school and we're here hard at work, but we love TrueLine. And
It's a good company.
great company, excellent. Okay, Josh, I'm pretty much done here. Go ahead and stop. Okay, how many seconds, how much time did it elapse? Alright, we got 1 minute and 30 seconds. Basically 1 minute and 31 seconds there. So we're going to write 1 minute and 31 seconds. That's how much time it took me to do this out. Okay, Josh, I'm going to go ahead and clear your timer. Tell me when you're ready, and then when I say start, start again, and then when I say stop, stop, and then let me go. Okay? Okay, Josh, go ahead and go. And stop.
6 seconds.
6 seconds. Okay, so 6 seconds. So we're at 6 seconds. Okay. Pardon my handwriting. But Josh, can you tell me what basically, you can read this, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you tell me what this says up here? Okay. And what does this say down here? Exactly. You understand that they both read the same. They both read the same. This took me 1 minute and 31 seconds to make this out. This took me 6 seconds to make this out. They both mean the same thing. We all understood it. But the problem is, I wasted 1.5 minutes doing it this way. Let's eliminate that. We don't need to waste our time doing that. Let's become more lean. It was just pure waste. I wasted all that ink. I wasted my time. It looks pretty cool. It looks cooler than maybe this one does.
Yeah.
It doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's pretty slick. But it basically is telling us the same exact thing that what lean is. Josh, though, do you know what else is crazy about this that I'm noticing? Again, lean is seeing the waste, eliminating the waste. So what I'm seeing here is I wasted time. I also wasted ink. Exactly. But there's one other thing I wasted. Can you tell me what it is? Well, besides the time and ink,
Paper.
exactly. You got it. We wasted paper. There was no reason in this day and age we need to waste paper. So I'm done with this piece of paper. Rip it off, throw it away, landfill. We never get to use it again. But what,
Get it reused.
we could recycle it. But here's the kicker. What about we put up a dry erase board. How's that?
That's even better because you can write it out and you'll still have the you don't have to use your waste of paper, and you can still just erase it and you're fine.
Exactly. So all I'm going to do is grab the dry erase board, put it up here, and I'm just going to go. Can you read that, Josh? Lean. Same exact thing. So now I'm not wasting paper. I'm using less ink. I'm using less time. That's the key. That's the beauty of lean, is just seeing the waste. It's all around us. It's through our shop. It's through our homes. It's everything. We're just so used to coming to work every day, doing the same thing. But you know what? We can eliminate this. And again, all I do, wipe it off, reuse the board. Pretty cool, eh?
And don't you guys recycle all your scrap metal and metal?
We recycle. We're big recyclers here. We're just getting into the whole lean Kaizen movement here, and we love it. Everything's making us more efficient. You know, it's not that lean is not a reduction in hours or cutting people's pay and doing stuff like that. It's basically giving people the chance to be more innovative, be more creative, use our brain. Oh, again, like I said, I've read many books. Paul Akers is great. He's been, my mentor. We're paying people for these hands to do that. But let's use their brains also. It's phenomenal what we can do. You get people excited and say, hey, you know what? Just teach people what to look for. It's not that they got to make some huge project and say, hey, look what I did. It's not about that. It's all the little things. We got to nibble. We're in such a transition. We got such great group of people here. It's phenomenal, and it's neat that they're allowing us to use our brains and get out and say, hey, you know what, there might be a better way. It's just making things more efficient, giving people a chance. Everybody in the company, there's so many brains out here, and it's amazing probably what you'll find, isn't it? Isn't it amazing what you learned about lean today?
Yeah.
And you'll find, go ahead.
And all the stuff that I've been since 5 in the morning.
Exactly. So you know what? Your mom and dad are going to love it when you get home, and you're going to go into your bedroom and you're going to say, hey, I need to be more lean. I need to get rid of all my waste, right? Is that the first thing you're going to do when you get home? Yeah. I like that. So, hey, thanks again. This is just explaining what lean really is at Trueline Industries, and thanks again to Josh.